So hello and what's up everybody, it's me Abik Musaku. Welcome back to the new video of Samriti Seva Nepal. In this video we will talk about how to change the phone number in WhatsApp. So let's begin. First of all, we'll go to the WhatsApp application and we'll click on the three dot menu on the top right corner. And then we will go to the settings. And so first of all, you have to know something that we have to back up all the things which we have on the WhatsApp. So for that, we will go to the chat section where the chat backup can be visible. So click on the chat backup and here choose the Google account where you want backup. So now to backup, click on the backup. I have only 169 MB of backup and I already have backed it up. So let's begin to change the phone number. Then again go to the settings and go to the account section at the first option. So here you can see the change number option. So changing your phone number will migrate your account info, groups and settings to the new number. Now click next and here you have to enter the previous phone number and then you have to enter the new phone number as well. So this is my new phone number. So click on next and if you want to notify your contacts if your phone number has been changed, then click or toggle the notify contacts option and notify to all contacts. After notifying to all contacts, you have to click on done to start changing number. After clicking on done, it will connect to the WhatsApp server and sends a OTP code to your new number. So I have a new number OTP code in my phone and it have automatically detected. Now you can see my phone number has been changed and it have shown a pop-up showing that your phone number has been changed successfully from 9880742176 to 9869289236. So finally I have changed my phone number. So you can also change your phone number this way. So thank you very much.